like, okay. Sheesh. Oh, we got the homie. He's back. He's back. Hey, it's been a minute since I've been to Miranda, so I'm actually happy that I came back. Hey, what's up? What's up? Oh, hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? Oh, damn, all feelings. Watch out. Oh shit, twins! Hey. What's up?
Yeah, what's good, my
boy? What's crack? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, like it the chain, like it the chain. You already know. We're gonna be there in 2 weeks.
That's right.
Telling you right now.
Oh, that's right here.
Oh, that's oh, that's your. Oh, that's right.
I told you, man. I told you.
Beer, you're about that. I like that. Look at this fucking helicopter, like super horny right now that he found the location. Today's been very low-key warehouse type of shit, and he's so horny. Look at him. I already see pre-cum coming on and shit. On our way to the third location. Hairstyle. Show me. Oh. I missed this shit. We're back, baby. KF Gang, let's go. What's crack? What's crack? What's crack? What's up? What's up? What's up? Having fun today?
Hey, KF Gang.
Hey, thanks for the support, bro. KF Gang, the only way. Hey. Yeah? Oh! Got a beautiful Mustang out here right now. We got Christian in the mix.
What's good? KF Gang movement, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so the cops finally pulled up after like 40 minutes. We got the track stars everywhere. Sheesh. Alright, we're trying to dip. Cops are here. Everybody's trying to go in reverse. Hello, tell her how it is.
Fuck the car.
Yeah, it must be nice to have a truck and a Jeep. Look at this. Damn. Ooh, we got the B right here. Oh, he's going straight into the pit. What I was saying, guys, this is the guy that had the motorcycle over there at the other spot. Yeah. Today's a good day. This is the guy that has the motorcycle. He has it in the back. Look, my homie's right there. I don't even know when he had the photo shoot. Like Edgar! How you doing? What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with a new banger. We're just pulling up to West Covina Mall right now. That's crazy. Today has been active. I'm glad I came back from retirement. And we're back. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. Pulling up to the next location, which is the mall right here. Okay. Oh. ¿Dónde estamos, güey?
En lo mejor de la vida.
Ahí estamos, ahí estamos. ¿Te gusta la suela? Hey, what's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? Doors open and everything. Everybody has their pussies out and everything's having a good time. Oh, yeah. Oh! God damn! He's okay though, he's okay. Oh, God damn! It's 4th of July up in this bitch. Yeah, he's going wild. Oh! God damn! We got a good amount of people out here today. Oh! How's your phone? But the phone's good? It's good. Damn, you got lucky, bro. Screen protector for the win. That's good that you got the screen protector. Pinche vale ver esa madre, güey, ya. Oh, it was the glass kind of.
It was a glass, yeah.
Let me see the phone?
That was good.
Intact, guys. Look at this. Let me see. Intact. That I can't even keep up with it. What's up, Play? What's up? Oh, I like the sweater. That's right. Representing Orange County. The modelo guy was cracking. That's right. Appreciate it, bro. Thanks. We got track stars everywhere. Track stars everywhere. We got like 3 cops. Track stars. We got the cops right there. You know I gotta go undercover. Hey, keep pushing right here. Get him. Oh. Follow him on Instagram. Follow him on Instagram. Send him. ASAP. There it is. Woo! God damn. Oh, God. Hey, dip. Hey, what's cracking, bro? You know the vibe. Boys here, what's cracking? That's the guy I went to the store with. We're coming in with the crowd. Go. We got the cops pulling up, we're dipping. ¡Vámonos a la verga! ¡Chúpela el pito! Papas and beer, hurry up! Let's dip! That's right! Oh, the cop got stuck in the bag. Boo-hoo! When I met her, she didn't like the car. Oh, yeah! CDK sticker on it. Okay. Oh, damn. Oh. And he panicked. He panicked right there. He was trying to tackle the CTSV. I know. Hey, that's right. Oh, damn, we got a little vibe. Cracked windshield and everything. I like that. Oh, what's cracking? Hey, them CDK members know how to put on a show for the one time. I like that. Hit the nitrous! The cops just pulled up right now. We got the track stars doing what they love best, and that's running. Running, and legends say that the track stars never stop running. They run and they run and they run until their legs fall off. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go follow me on Instagram, King Fresh, double I on King Fresh, K-I-I-N-G, King Fresh.
Oh shit.
Marica! Is the ice cream truck gonna swing it? Let's find out. Uh-oh, the ice cream truck, here he goes. I'm gonna play the ice cream music in the background. Holy. What the fuck? They're chasing security out of here. Okay. The crowd is chasing the security. The crowd is chasing the security. That was dippy. You know the vibes. What's cracking? What's cracking? ¿Se mueven o se mueven, pendejos? Damn, that's the madre. Oh, he's off-roading. The pig is off-roading. The people are chasing him. Oh, the people are blocking. People are blocking.